Oh, yeah.
Just leave him at my house the day before, let him run all his energy out.
Yeah. Yeah, we got waves.
Being at the beach. She wants to keep doing those, but she's like, I think I'm going to have to do a walk trot because Jackson's just in there and he just keeps bucking.
Yeah.
And
That was impressive. That was such a good catch with her.
I know. I was like, oh, I got that on camera.
Yes,
like,
you
look
did.
at all this cool stuff I catch on camera when I actually wear my camera.
Yeah, that was so cool. And from the back, when you go take my GoPro's on.
Yeah.
Mine is.
I can't tell. Ashley, look at my GoPro and tell me if it's on. I can't. I don't want to take my freaking helmet off.
I don't think it's on.
Come on, Regs. Yeah. Okay, well, do it this way then. Back, 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 back. Go ahead, good. No, no, good.
Oh boy, I know that was
Good, Joe. No, straight. Good.
Then he'll snorkel. He'll put his whole head under. It's the lawn.
No, it's a win. Good boy. Do not jump into it, please.
I know, I got jumped on. Oh, no, I didn't do that. Oh, I got me. Well, we're in. Now he doesn't want to move. He's afraid. He's like, I gotta drink. We jumped in. Okay. Not upset. No, I wasn't really expecting it, but okay. Whatever.
You can put your suit on and take your saddle off if you want to try. Here comes Joey playing.
They're just like, no, what's that? Still soaking them.
Oh, the ducks are like, what's going on? Hey, Ellie, see if you can get in front of Regs. Over this way so I can get a picture.
Closest, I don't want to go stand with him. Oh my God, my feet are in the water.
This is my art too.
I have a short pony. Oh, it's like kind of cool, buddy.
Elle, want to do a smile? Go that way more.
No, last time I came here, it took 2 weeks to dry my suits out. I know, it took mine forever too.
But I think these two could battery my car.
He pooped. Yeah.
Sorry, Joe.
That's all right.
Sorry, Joey.
Joey likes big butts.
That was why I put my half shaft on. I figured it might defray some of the water going in the boat.